Ayo, boss, and welcome back. We're about halfway through October. The fall season is now full in swing, and we have a great recipe coming towards you from Byron Talbot. There he is right there, and he made a side dish called crispy potato stacks. Now, Chef's going to try to mirror this and see if his can look as good as Byron's. So let's go ahead and get stacking. The first thing, Chef, that's not how you stack potatoes. Such a funny guy. Let's really get cooking. The first thing you're going to want to do is heat up your oil, of course your fresh oil, to 350 degrees. Then go ahead and take out some russet potatoes. These have a good starch quality and they're really good to use. Next, Chef's going to go ahead and take out his mandolin, and he's going to use a cutting glove because the last time he used this, he ended up in the emergency room. But you want to be very careful when you use this and make sure the mandolin is set to this first setting, a very thin setting. Just go ahead and slice your potatoes. You can use a knife if you don't have a mandolin. Just be very careful. Go ahead and you're going to discard the tops and the bottoms of the potatoes. You just want the middle pieces. Chef went ahead and lined these pieces up, and then he's just going to go ahead and cut around the sides. You're going to get rid of that skin, as well as you're going to square off the potato. Now, very important, Chef said, do not put these in water. You want the starch on the potatoes. They'll fry better. Then go ahead and cut them in half, place them aside, and keep going. Once all the potatoes are cut up and squared off, go ahead and place them in the oil, hopefully a little gentler than Chef did. There you go, Chef. And you have about 30 or so minutes before the potatoes start to oxidize, so you want to get these in the oil sooner than later, which is why Chef had the oil kind of heat up in the beginning. Go ahead and move these around, and after several minutes you'll start to see them brown. These will be in the oil for about 5 or so minutes, and then Chef's going to remove them and put them on a plate. Next up, he's just going to go ahead and salt these up. They're nice and hot, and then just keep going, do your next batch. Chef's going to go ahead and plate these up, and here's your end result. And Chef, we think you may have stuck the landing. So there you go, there you have it, the stacked potatoes there, potato stacks as Byron Talbot calls it. All his links will be in the description below, and there's a piece that Chef had. So you had this nice crispy outside with kind of this potato softness inside, and they're a really great side. So very simple to make, kind of a fun Halloween festive dish. Definitely would pair great with a steak or something. So check out Byron's videos and his links below. Thank you for letting us share this video, even though he probably doesn't know we're sharing it. But it came out really well. We had a lot of fun. Don't forget, everyone, have fun this fall season. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.